Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Alesis Recital is probably one of the most accessible and feature-rich 88-key digital pianos on the market, making it an excellent choice for beginners and intermediate players alike who are looking for a full-sized keyboard experience without breaking the bank. Its weighted keys, versatile sound options, and built-in learning tools offer a comprehensive package for anyone serious about learning or continuing their piano journey, providing a realistic feel and a wide range of musical possibilities right out of the box. Number 5. Liquid Stand C-Style Keyboard Stand. This stand offers adjustable height and width, ensuring a perfect fit for virtually any keyboard. It's designed to accommodate your piano, DJ gear, synthesizers, and more, making it compatible with all major brands. Adapt your playing style with ease. This versatile stand allows you to adjust its height to suit your preference, whether you prefer to play while sitting or standing. Built with a robust construction, it can support up to 250 pounds, making it ideal for even the heaviest instruments. Its C-style design provides superior stability compared to common X-style stands. It comes equipped with adjustable feet, anti-skid pads, and a convenient headphone hook. For added safety, 2 anchoring straps are included to secure your keyboard to the stand. Setting up or taking down this stand takes less than a minute. It also folds flat, making it incredibly easy to transport to gigs or store away at home. Fine-tune your setup with precision. The height adjusts from 22.5 to 33.5 inches, and the width adjusts from 22.5 to 33.5 inches, ensuring optimal positioning for your instrument. What we like. This stand offers incredible versatility with its adjustable height and width, accommodating most keyboards. It allows you to play comfortably whether you're seated or standing. If you need a reliable and adaptable foundation for your keyboard that can grow with you or accommodate different playing styles, this is a solid choice. What people say. The Alesis Recital 88 Keys digital piano has semi-weighted keys that offer a good balance between responsiveness and ease of play, making it suitable for beginners and intermediate players. It features built-in speakers that provide clear and adequate sound for practice sessions without the need for external amplification. The piano includes a sustain pedal and a music rest, offering essential accessories right out of the box for a complete playing experience. Number 4. Alesis Recital Pro 88-Key Digital Piano. Introducing the Alesis Recital Pro, an 88-key digital piano designed for intermediate players. It features hammer-action weighted keys with adjustable touch response, tailored to your unique playing style. Experience a wide range of premium sounds with 12 built-in voices, including acoustic and electric pianos, organs, synths, and bass. Enjoy clear, room-filling audio from the 2 integrated 20W speakers, enhanced by built-in chorus, modulation, and reverb effects. This instrument offers versatile connectivity options. It includes a 1/4 sustain pedal input and a 1/4 stereo headphone output for private practice sessions. Stereo outputs are also available for connecting to external speakers or amplifiers. Take your music on the go. Power your performance using the included adapter or opt for portability with 6 D-cell batteries, not included. This makes it perfect for professional piano performances wherever you are. Enhance your learning with powerful educational features. Explore standard, split, layer, record, and lesson modes, all supported by 128-note max polyphony. You'll also receive a 3-month premium subscription to SCUV for expert interactive online piano lessons. Further hone your skills with an included 30-day premium subscription and 100 virtual lessons from Melodics. Whether you aim to master any genre or technique, these resources will guide you. What we like. This digital piano features premium hammer-action weighted keys, providing a realistic piano feel. With its built-in speakers and included online lessons, it's designed for those looking to seriously learn and practice. If you're an intermediate player or a dedicated beginner aiming to develop proper technique, this instrument offers a comprehensive learning experience. What people say. The Alesis Recital 88-Key Portable Digital Piano is perfect for beginners. It has 88 full-size, semi-weighted keys with adjustable touch response. The piano features built-in stereo speakers, 5 voices, piano, electric piano, organ, strings, bass, and 120-note polyphony. Number 3. Pyle Heavy Duty Folding Keyboard Stand. Ensure your keyboard is placed securely and reliably with our rugged organ mount rack. Its stability lock mechanism provides maximum support, making it ideal for musicians of all levels. Experience the versatility of our unique Z-style stand. It's designed to be adjustable in both height and width, allowing you to perfectly align your instrument. Keep your keyboard safe and sound with foam-padded arms. These prevent slippage during play and protect your instrument from scratches and damage. Achieve the perfect fit with its infinitely adjustable width. A special sliding lock allows you to set the stand to any height between 20 and 34 inches. Designed for convenience, this stand folds into a compact Z-shape. It's perfect for easy storage and transport, setting up or breaking down in under a minute. What we like. This stand boasts a unique Z-frame design with infinitely adjustable width, ensuring a perfect fit for your keyboard. The foam-padded arms provide a secure and scratch-free resting place. If you prioritize a highly customizable and stable stand that's also designed for easy transport and storage, this option is ideal for gigging musicians or home studios. What people say. The Alesis Recital 88 keys digital piano has semi-weighted keys that offer a good balance between responsiveness and ease of play. It features a built-in metronome and a recording function, allowing for practice and performance. The piano includes a sustain pedal and a music rest, providing essential accessories for immediate use. Number 2. Best Choice Products 88-key digital piano. Experience the full-size digital piano designed for all skill levels. Its 88 semi-weighted keys offer a realistic feel, perfect for aspiring musicians. Enhance your music with the included sustain pedal. It allows for nuanced control over note decay, from gradual fades to sudden stops. This set includes a compact folding stand for stable practice and a music stand to help you maintain proper posture while reading your music. Explore a variety of sounds with 6 built-in voice settings. You can easily switch between different instruments like the piano, organ, and harpsichord. Enjoy rich audio quality with the built-in speakers. It also features media connectivity to pair with your favorite devices for an enhanced experience. What we like. This keyboard set offers 88 semi-weighted keys, making it accessible for all experience levels, especially those with limited space. It comes complete with essential accessories like a stand and sustain pedal. If you're a beginner or an aspiring musician looking for a complete, space-saving package to start playing right away, this set is a great entry point. What people say. The Alesis Recital has 88 full-size semi-weighted keys, which is great for learning and playing. It includes a sustain pedal, which is a nice addition for piano playing. The built-in metronome is very useful for practicing timing. Number 1. Liquid Stand's Collapsible Piano Keyboard Stand. This stand offers adjustable height and width, ensuring a perfect fit for most keyboards, turntables, and synths. It's designed to be compatible with all major keyboard brands, providing a stable platform for your music gear. Enjoy the flexibility to play your instrument while seated or standing. Its versatile design allows you to adjust it to your preferred playing position, making it ideal for any musician. With a weight limit of 225 pounds, this stand provides exceptional stability for even the heaviest keyboards and musical instruments. Its robust construction offers superior support compared to common X-style stands. Designed with your instrument's safety in mind, it features rubber feet for stability and anti-skid foam pads to secure your keyboard. This makes it a great choice for both touring musicians and beginners at home. Setting up and taking down this stand is a breeze, taking less than a minute. It also folds flat for convenient transport, making it perfect for gigs or moving between practice spaces. What we like. This keyboard stand features a collapsible, table-style design that offers excellent stability and portability. It's easy to set up and transport, making it great for musicians on the go. If you need a sturdy yet lightweight stand that folds flat for easy transport to gigs or lessons, this is a practical and reliable choice. What people say. The Alesis Recital 88 keys has a full-size weighted hammer action keyboard. It features built-in stereo speakers that deliver powerful sound. The piano has a convenient split mode, allowing you to divide the keyboard into 2 sections with the same custom bass and treble voice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.